So what the fuck's going on? Is he gonna eat that hoe or is he gonna eat the other one? What the hell? Are you serious? Did you just jump by one? The cricket fur down there. Okay, okay, I see something now. I don't know if you see it, but I'm gonna point it out either way. Okay. I was about to point it out, but you hit the hole. He just swallowed it. He seriously just swallowed it. There's another one in front of him. Okay. What's this one finna do? I don't know. Them niggas be doing some weird shit, but there you go. I just needed one of y'all, but let's see if all y'all niggas finna hit this hole. The nigga just ate some. He just got him some. Nigga right. Sure, just got him some. 10 minutes. It took you 10 fucking minutes. Good shit, nigga. I have a feeling these dumbass, well, they ain't dumb, they're pretty smart, but I have a feeling these niggas finna, when I start recording, them niggas gonna stop eating and shit, which, that shit's fucked up. I mean, I could take them niggas' legs off, everything. But what's the fun in that? Alright, babe. Well, you saw one, and then look, this one's trying to escape. He ain't escaping, though. Don't matter, boy, look. But there you go. Love you.